This is all the lesson are now visible to you. In this lesson, if we consider a particular chapter, this is the first video, this is the class note, this is the assignments, this all are the classes. And after completing a chapter, there will be a short test for you. And then there will be a doubt session or doubt clearing class of the Zoom meeting. And there will be the home assignment and there will be online test. So each and every lesson have the class note, have the class assignments, have the home assignments, have the short tests, have the doubt clearing live classes, and also it have the online exam. So now if I move to the first course of this electrochemistry, I will not be allowed to find this class. Sorry, you cannot view this item right now. It will become available when you complete the solution online exam. That's mean I cannot access any course at any time. I have to go in the order of this lesson. So first I have to complete. It's just like a computer gaming system. There is a lots of stages on that game, and this is also a fun game of education. You have to first complete this first lesson. So this is the introduction, the first lesson. You have to first complete the lesson. Suppose this is the first lesson for me, and it will open soon. This is the PDF, and you can see the PDF. You can download the PDF. Just give a second, and this is the PDF for you, and you can view it. And here is a tab. You just click on here. There is an option download. So if you click on it, it will be downloaded. So this is the download. And after completing this part, you can move to the second lesson, the next lesson, which is given here, NCERT book download, but you have to click on complete. Whenever you will click on complete, it will give that the complete lesson. Do you complete it? Okay. Then when you press OK, you will automatically move to the second lesson of this chapter, and this is the second lesson. Again, you have to press on complete. Otherwise, if I move to the next lesson, I will not be accessible on that course. Sorry, you cannot view right now because you have to complete the previous one. So in this way, you have to complete each and every lesson on a particular chapter, and there is a test. If you think you just complete a chapter casually, you cannot move a great way, because whenever you will be on the short test of every lesson, this short test have 10 questions, and now you cannot access. You have to complete all the previous lesson, and whenever you will be in this stage, you have to give the exam. The exam have a pass mark. Suppose the pass mark is 40%, and you have to get this 40%. Otherwise, you cannot move to the next lesson. And we will give you another chance. If you fail to pass in first attempt, you can give another attempt. But in that second attempt, you have to pass. So you have to study well, and then you have to give the short test. Otherwise, the lesson or the course will be blocked at this stage, and the game is over. So this is a fun game of education, and you can complete your course easily by this system. So in this way, you can enroll to any course. You can go to the course, and then you can go your choiceable option. This is the board exam course was there. There is a joint exam also. So for this is the 1 year joint, which is for mainly the class 12 student and repeater. And there is a mathematics, chemistry, physics and biology. For the medical aspirant, you have to enroll in chemistry, physics and biology. And for the engineering, you have to enroll into the mathematics, chemistry and physics. So in this way, you can enroll into the course, and whenever you will move to the my course profile, just few minutes before I have enrolled into a course of chemistry of class 12. So just look at, here is the chemistry of class 12 board, and here is the passing grade. So you have to get minimum 40% marks in the test to move to the next lesson. And in this dashboard, if you click on it, you will also be exercised on that particular course. So I'm clicking on class 12 chemistry, and now it's there for me. So for today